You want to know why I love Eva? It's everything. But most of all, it's that all of my mom brain, all of my wife brain, all of my entrepreneurial brain, it's in one spot. I can keep up with my house. I can keep up with my kids. I can have my kids keep up with my house. You can send them tasks because they're synced up with you. It's genius. I didn't realize how important it was going to be in the moment of crisis when we had 2 hurricanes hit our area in less than 2 weeks. It was mind-boggling what had to happen while I was in crisis mode. I could take notes in there. I could access my schedule. I could access tasks for my kids to do, lists for my husband to pick up. There was so much that I didn't have to think about because it was all in one spot. It was brilliant.